Today I'm going to share with you 5 secrets that will gonna help you reach 1000 subscriber faster than ever. First, I want to thank you for subscribing to this channel, and if you didn't subscribe yet, now it's a good time to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be the first one who will see my next video. 5 secrets that will help you reach the first 1000 subscribers faster. First one, promote your channel through the sub for sub method. What do I mean by that is that when you subscribe to another person's channel, you will want to watch a couple of their videos and leave some comments in order to have them return your comment. The second secret is to use the sub for sub apps to grow your channel. Such an app is channel. With this app, you can increase your subscriber number and the number of hours viewed at the same time. So, by using this app together with the sub for sub method, I guarantee you that you will see a constant increase in your number of hours and in the number of the subscribers that you will have on your channel. The third secret is something that I've learned and something that is very important, namely to have a story within your videos. What do I mean by that? Is that you must tell something to your viewers in order to engage their attention and in order to be able to keep them focused on your videos. The fourth secret is to use a compelling title. What do I mean by that? Is that you will want to make the story behind your video be part of your video title. The fifth secret and the last one is to post as often as you can. Let's make a quick recap. So, the first secret is to promote your channel through the sub for sub method. The second secret is to use the sub for sub apps to grow your channel, and of course to have a story within your videos. The fourth secret is to use compelling titles for your videos. And the last secret is to post as often as you can. By using those 5 secrets, I guarantee you that your channel will grow at 1000 subscribers within months. If you want to leave a comment to this video for me and for other people that are at their first 1000 subscribers with tips, please feel free to do that. And because I already reached my first 1000 subscribers, today I'm making my YouTube button in 3D in Revit from the Autodesk. So this is how my current button is looking, and in a couple of moments I'm going to show you how the button looked at the end after I finished it. But first of all, I want to thank you all for subscribing to this channel and for supporting my videos and giving me those likes for the videos that I've made. Thank you again, and watch how the first 1000 subscribers YouTube 3D model button had worked out. Bye!